The Boulevard 1 design separates electrical and data. Electrical should enter the bottom cutout and remain along the rubber spill guard, while data should enter the top cutout and be suspended by the provided wire hanger clips and the cable terminal channel. Boulevard 3 panels all have a top channel that can be used for data cabling, a lay-in system. Then it could be routed to the nearest post and dropped to tile position. Be sure to use the top cutout on the tile. If routing down to the base raceway, the bottom cutout will be used. It is found on the center of the raceway cover. Disassembly for both Boulevard 1 and Boulevard 3 can be made easy if the pick is inserted in between the capture strip and the panel, in the middle part. If the capture strip is to be reused, avoid bending it or stretching it while pulling it off the panel.